Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the following resource. Today, we're taking a closer look at MaximizeMySocialSecurity.com. This website offers a valuable service for those approaching retirement and wanting to make informed decisions about their Social Security benefits. Understanding the complexities of Social Security can be daunting. There are a myriad of factors to consider, such as when to start collecting benefits, spousal benefits, and how working after retirement might impact your payments. Maximizing your benefits is crucial for a comfortable retirement, and this website aims to empower you with the knowledge to do just that. The site provides tools and resources designed to help you navigate these intricacies. They offer personalized reports based on your individual circumstances, offering specific recommendations tailored to your situation. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, they recognize that everyone's financial picture is unique and requires a customized strategy. They delve into various claiming strategies, exploring the potential benefits and drawbacks of each. By providing this detailed analysis, they equip you to make the most advantageous choices for your future. MaximizeMySocialSecurity.com acknowledges the significant impact these decisions can have on your long-term financial well-being. Retirement planning is a multifaceted process, and Social Security is a cornerstone of that plan for many. Therefore, gaining a clear understanding of how to optimize your benefits is essential. This resource empowers you to take control of your financial future by providing the clarity and insights needed to navigate the often confusing landscape of Social Security. They strive to remove the guesswork and provide you with data-driven recommendations to help you secure the retirement you deserve. This comprehensive approach to Social Security planning can be a valuable asset for anyone preparing for retirement.